Mercedes Benz S-Class W220 DIY Bluetooth hack. Easy DIY upgrade. Bluetooth solution for Mercedes Benz W220. Looking to stream music in your Mercedes Benz S-Class W220? Integrated Bluetooth in the early 2000s was only for hands-free phone calls. The original Mercedes Benz COMAND did not support music streaming. The original Mercedes infotainment, aka MOST, is a fiber optic system. It is extremely difficult and expensive to replace. The original Mercedes Benz Bluetooth puck is outdated and no longer available. The Gizmo Guy Gadget Bluetooth adapter offers a simple plug-and-play solution for your older Mercedes Benz. It provides seamless Bluetooth audio streaming, allowing you to wirelessly play Apple Music, podcasts, and Spotify content from your smartphone directly through your original Mercedes-Benz COMAND system. Enjoy CD-quality music without hissing or static, unlike the junk from Amazon. Plus, you can talk hands-free, making your classic car feel like a brand-new car. Simple plug and play, and you'll be cruising in your modern-day classic like the VIP you are.
View on the Gizmo Guy Gadget. I've had this for about 3-4 weeks now. Bro, this is the best purchase I've made for my S-Class so far. I have a 2005 S55 AMG. It does not come with any type of aux, Bluetooth, no way to pair your phone to the radio and play your own music. However, a lovely guy online sold me this Gizmo Guy Gadget. All you do is plug it in right there to the cigarette port. Comes with a USB Type-C charger as well. This you could stick almost anywhere. I haven't found a spot yet. For now, I'm leaving it right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful product. There's no static, the sound. You're not gonna get a better, clearer sound if you don't use this product. I've used other products. I bought a bunch from Amazon. Nothing compares to the quality and clearness of this product right here. I have my phone connected right now and you guys can hear me perfectly. I'm going to play a little music so you can hear how it sounds with the music playing. But yeah, if I could rate it 5 stars, I would 100% give it 5 stars. This thing has saved me. To get an integrated system, it's going to be over $500 without installation. With installation, probably around $700. This little device saves you so much money.
A 30 that's only got 80,000 miles on it. This car is beautiful and it's perfect, except it doesn't have Bluetooth, it doesn't have Pandora, it doesn't have anything. But now, thanks to you, it does. So now I'm hands-free when I'm talking on the phone. Now I got Pandora, I got Sirius XM, I got anything I want. What a great product. Thanks so much.
So simply the phone will be connected to this device by Bluetooth, and then it's transmitting on a specific radio channel, and that you can choose, and then you listen to the music exactly like you have a Bluetooth in your car. What I did just extra, I didn't connect it to the lighter here just to get better results. I connected to a battery bank here, as you can see. That's the battery bank here, and that's the USB power for it, and it's just sound perfect, exactly like Bluetooth.
The Gizmo Guy Gadget that's installed in my 2005 Mercedes Benz SL600. Quick view of the install, which is a hidden install, and is basically a permanent install. Once this unit is installed and powered, all you have to do is bring your iPhone into the vehicle and it starts playing instantly.